the Great Hope Diamond? What killed the dinosaurs? Who makes the finest pizza? What's in your brother's dresser drawers? Mysteries of life, screaming to be solved. Here we stand in our trench coats, dying to get involved. We're super duper snoopers, first class private eyes. Figure outers, clearer uppers, mistresses of disguise. We've got the know-how, we got the knack. Now all we need's a case to crack. We're two super duper snoopers, give us a mystery. What is the Loch Ness Monster? Why is a cherry on top? Where is Amelia Earhart? Who put the bop in the bop? Shoo bop, shoo bop, shoo bop, shoo bop. Are tomatoes a veggie or a fruit? Who is in that Barney suit? To find out why or how, call who, us, when, now.